India lost to Pakistan. Well, I rather say India is losing to itself. This video is for Mohammed Shami. Even as his teammates put an arm around his shoulder, Shami was not spared by trolls on social media. Shami's identity as an Indian was questioned. Some even went on to call him a traitor. Mohammed Shami has indeed had a rough week. In a nutshell, after India lost to Pakistan and Pakistan finally got to break its losing streak, a fantastic performer who has played for India for 8 years is been called a traitor. Wow, man. While Virat Kohli embraces Rizwan and congratulates Babar Azam, despite finishing on the losing side in one of the biggest encounters of the last leg of his T20 captaincy career, showing the spirit of sportsmanship, we should be ashamed that we are becoming a joke to the world by pointing fingers to our own people. Shami, who has been one of India's leading facers over the years, when he picked up a hat-trick against Afghanistan in 2019 World Cup, a nation of billion rejoiced its hero. He was India's highest wicket taker when they played Pakistan at the 2015 World Cup. Unfortunately, Shami was subject to abuse after one bad day in the office, which is part of every professional's life. His identity as an Indian is questioned, calling him a traitor. Well, it's very good to hear that some of his teammates and his fans have been backing the star facer. In fact, former Indian batter Mohammad Kaif had appealed to fans on social media before the India-Pakistan match on Sunday to treat the big ticket game as just another game and not war, while urging them to refrain from directing personal abuse. But a session of users paid no heed to such wise words. However, on the other side of the spectrum, love poured in for Mohammed Shami. Harbhajan Singh, Irfan Pathan, Lakshman, Preeti Zinta, Vrinder Sehwag, Yuzvendra Chahal and many more former and current Indian cricketers took to social media to back the Indian facer. Now the question lies, are we going to make this issue ruin 2021's World Cup? To ruin our proud Indian players' mental health, will they be able to move forward with this behavior? Well, that I'll leave it to you to decide. Don't forget to like and share this video so that it could reach more people possible. That's it for today. Until next time.